The USA is in serious trouble. Under crooked Joe Biden, our borders are gone. Inflation is crushing our middle class like never before. They've never had a problem like this before. Violent criminals are running wild. Law enforcement is weaponized against conservatives and Christians, against any politician that differs with the radical left. Our military has gone woke. The world is on fire. And we're stumbling toward World War III. We are closer to World War III than we've ever been before. Our country is dying, and there's only one candidate in this race who is up to the task of saving America from every single Biden disaster starting on day one. And you've heard me say it before, and I'll say it again. If you took the 10 worst presidents in the history of our country, and you've added them all up, all 10 of them, they will not have done the damage to our country that crooked Joe Biden has done. He's the worst president in the history of the United States of America. Since 2016, you and I have been taking on the entire corrupt system in Washington like no one ever has done before. Virtually every American was better off. Under the Trump administration, our country was richer, stronger, safer, and more respected when you had me in the Oval Office, sitting behind the Resolute desk, that beautiful, beautiful Resolute desk. We were a secure country. We were a confident country. We were a safe country. Now it's time to finish the job that we started once and for all. A vote for Donald Trump is a vote to secure our border. It's a vote to stop the invasion. It's a vote to rescue our economy, become energy independent like we were just 3 years ago. We were soon going to be energy dominant. And it's a vote to reclaim our democracy from crooked Joe Biden and the entire criminal class in our nation's capital, which, by the way, is not looking too good right now. It's graffiti-filled, it's trash-filled, and people are being shot every single day. We're going to clean that up. We're going to take care of it. This is no time for on-the-job training, and it's no time to waste your vote on another establishment career politician that hasn't done a good job. The 2024 election is our last chance to save our country, and unlike every other candidate in this race, with me, you know in your heart that I will always put America first, and with God's help, I will get the job done. It will get done like nobody else can do it. We did it before. We had the greatest economy in history. We had the safest nation. We had a nation that was respected all over the world. Russia invading Ukraine would have never happened. The attack on Israel would have never happened. We had no inflation. It was caused by a very bad energy problem that Biden created. So don't stay home. If you want to save America, if you want to make America great again, go cast your vote for President Donald J. Trump, and together we will make America better than ever before. Thank you very much.